Hello there, plant lovers! Welcome back to my channel. And for those who are new here, welcome, and I hope you will consider to hit the subscribe button below, hit the all bell, and so you will be notified for my next video. Thank you so much. Today we will be talking about zebraplant, or has a common name saffron spike, and has a botanical name Aphelandra squarosa. This diva plant is actually a flowering plant that is often cultivated as a houseplant. This is also native to Atlantic forest vegetation of Brazil. This beautiful golden flower will actually reach several inches long and last for up to 6 weeks. What I like about this plant is actually the prominent whitish colored veins with the dark glossy green leaves, which for me is a flower itself. That's why I put mine on top of the flower vase. The leaves of this zebra plant is actually 9 inches long and can also grow a few inches wide with pointed tips. Zebra plant is actually not difficult to take care of, but there are moisture loving, so always keep the soil moist, but do not let water accumulate. Unfortunately, if you love to travel, this plant is not ideal for you. You can water this plant once or 2 times a week. It is also easy to tell if your zebra plant needs water because the leaves of this plant will start to droop. If you want this plant to thrive more, you can put this in indirect light or a partial shade. And of course, with proper care, your zebra plant will grow well under certain environments. According to American Society for the Prevention of Cruelty to Animals, this plant is actually pet friendly. Likewise, it is safe for people and small children. This plant is one of my favorites thus far, and I hope you will also consider to get one soon. Enjoy and happy planting! So there you have it, plant lovers. I hope you learned something from today's video. May you be happy, may you be well, may you be safe, may you be peaceful, and may the Holy Spirit continue to protect you and your loved ones today and always. See you then!